just so they can do it.
We could run it at 25 with the coolant top for one part. It's just aluminum and ain't gonna destroy.
This is just so they can hear how quiet it is.
This one I gotta run coolant because those cup drills will plug up.
Yep. I'm just gonna keep it running so they know we didn't do anything hinky.
Cooling up. It should be just boring bar and threader now.
That way we can get the transfer and everything.
Yeah. The cutoff will probably have to run coolant because that'll drum up, you know. Cutoff, I think, if we just close the door to here, and I can still run the coolant without it shooting all over. Alright, it's gonna cut it off. We'll just see what happens.
Gotta do the milling for the hex.
What's that?
The hex milling first.
Oh yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself. I gotta cut out the thread now is what I gotta do. Make sure that's off so you know it's sprayed. Rebore. Thread. Here's the, now it'll be the live coolant.